So let us see one more problem based on trigonometric identities. This is also very easy one. Okay, but we need to focus on this. Just see. Here we need to show that tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A is equal to, we need to show the two results. One is 1 plus tan A plus cot A and another one is 1 plus secant A cosecant A. Don't panic. Don't be panic here. We can first observe get the first one. We can convert the first result into second result by doing some changes. Okay, first let us take, and this is the question of CBSE board exams 2002, right? Anyways, here solution would be, first let us take LHS part. What is LHS part? Tell me. Tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A. Right? So like this we have given. Here for our convenience, some terms are in tan A's and some terms are cot A's. Better convert all them into single terms, like either all into tan or all into cot. Let us convert them into tan. Okay, see, write this tan A as it is. By 1 minus, this is minus, okay, a minus. Cot A can be written as what? 1 by tan A or not? Because cot A and tan A are reciprocals of each other. So this can be further written as what? 1 by tan A. Okay. Now here also cot A can be replaced by what? 1 by tan A. Sorry, this is plus. Okay, 1 by tan A upon 1 minus tan A. Okay, now if you want to simplifying this expression, okay, let me consider this, let me solve this denominator part. In denominator this is a fraction, we need to solve it, and here also you need to solve this denominator part. You can consider this as 1 minus tan theta, tan A by 1. Okay, now do the further step. Tan A, this one, by tan A can be taken, LCM should be taken to solve this. Okay, tan A into 1, tan A minus 1 whole by tan A. Now there is a there is a fraction in denominator part. Now this is 1 by tan A into this this denominator fraction will be, fraction in the denominator will be inverted. Then what will happen? Here 1 by 1 minus tan A. Okay, now just see, here also this fraction get inverse. Now tan A will be multiplied with tan A after inverting that. So tan square A, it becomes tan square A or not? Tan A into tan A by tan A minus 1. And here plus 1 by tan A into 1 minus tan A. Observe here, in the denominator part, here tan A minus 1 is there and here 1 minus tan A is there. So there are the difference in signs. If the signs means symbols of terms in these two expressions are same, we can take it common. Okay, so do this. Do one thing, tan square A by tan A minus 1 equal to, better do one thing, here we can multiply and divide with minus 1 in both numerator and denominator part. Then what will happen? See this, here plus of minus 1 is multiplied on numerator part, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 by when we are multiplying this denominator with minus, let us multiply that minus 1 with terms inside the bracket. So here tan A is unaffected. Okay, now here minus into plus 1, minus 1, and minus into minus tan A plus tan A. So this would be a what? Tan A minus 1. Okay, now this minus into plus becomes what? Minus. Here only let me write. Okay, so minus. So now tell me, here this term, this expression is tan square A upon tan A minus 1 minus 1 by tan A into tan A minus 1. Okay, now we can take 1 by tan A minus 1 in common. Let us do it. So 1 by tan A minus 1 we take common. We took common 1 by tan A minus 1. When it was took out, tan square A is remained in this term or not? Yes, tan square A is remained out there. Okay, now what is remained? Minus. Okay, in second term 1 by tan A is there or not? Yes, 1 by tan A. Okay, 1 by tan A. Okay, now do one thing. Here we can write it as take LCM to solve this bracket part. Okay, 1 by tan A minus 1 into, we can take LCM here, tan square A into tan A would be tan cube A minus 1 upon tan A. Okay, now just do one thing. I want to rewrite this one as 1 cube for my convenience. So here 1 can be written as 1 cube. There will be no change, no? Exactly. So now just use A cube minus B cube formula. Here this is in the form of what? A cube minus B cube. What is the expansion of A cube minus B cube? Tell me. We can split this A cube minus B cube into A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, which is a standard algebraic identity. You can say special product also. Understood? A cube minus B cube can be splitted into what? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Understood or not? Okay, anyways, if you understood this, let us go for next step. Now let us split it. Okay, split this upper part. Tan A minus 1 A minus B into A square. A square means what? Tan square A. Tan square A. Okay, minus. Okay, minus. Not minus. Plus A square plus AB. AB means what? Tan A into 1. That would be tan A. Okay, plus B square. B square means plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 itself. Upon what? Here tan A minus 1 into tan A. Okay, now you can cancel tan A minus 1 in numerator and denominator part. What did you obtain now? So tan square A plus tan A plus 1. Tan square A plus tan A plus 1 by tan A. Okay, by tan A. So what can you do here? Now separating the fractions, what do you get? Tan square A by tan A plus tan A by tan A plus 1 by tan A. Okay, did you understand this or not? Tan square A by tan A by tan A, 1 by tan A. Right? Here tan A's will be cancelled in upper and lower part. Now what is left over? Here one tan A will be cancelled here, because tan square A and tan A, out of that one tan A will be cancelled on numerator part, and then what is left over? Tan A. Okay, plus this is 1 and this is 1 by tan A. Tell me, how can we write 1 by tan A? Is it CotA or not? Yes, because tan A and cot A are reciprocals of each other. So we can write tan A as 1 by cot A and cot A as 1 by tan A. So here 1 by tan A can be written as what? Cot A. Now we can further write this as what? We can write this one first and tan A next plus cot A. Just we change the order. Okay, we rearrange it terms and 1 plus tan A plus cot A. So we obtained first result or not? Absolutely, we got our first result. Okay, so therefore this is your first RHS part you obtained. Okay, your answer you obtained for first part. Okay, this is okay. Okay, did you observe what I did or not? Yes, here tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A when I took, okay, in order to convert all the terms into uniform pattern, okay, I converted all the terms into tan thetas or tan E's. So in order to do that, I just substituted here cot A with 1 by tan A, here also cot A with 1 by tan A. Then after doing further simplification, I obtained finally what? After doing this much of simplification, I obtained here 1 plus tan A plus cot A, which is our first RHS part. So we obtained our first result. Okay, now we need to get the second result. You don't need to go back again to the question. You don't need to go back to the question again. From this answer you can get this. Okay, let us see how we have to get it. See this here. Now take the answer which we obtained. Okay, now let us consider the answer. What was the answer we got here? First answer, that was 1 plus tan A plus cot A, right? 1 plus tan A plus cot A, right? Now let me convert this into, see here we got an answer, first answer in terms of tan A and cot A. We need to convert that into secant and cosecant A. For that reason I want to convert this entire expression into sine and cos terms. Just see what will happen. See this here, 1 plus tan A can be written as, means tan A can be expressed as sin A upon cos A, because it is a ratio of sine to cos. Okay, and cot A can be expressed as what? Cos A upon sin A, because it's the ratio of cos to sine, or it is reverse to tan. Okay, now what can we do here? We can take the LCM, and my suggestion is that don't take LCM for all the terms. Leave this one like this, leave this one aside, because we need to get 1 plus something, no? Just guess. Okay, try to apply the common sense. Here 1 is there left separately, so better you leave this one and take the LCM only for these two terms. That means you are grouping these two terms. Understood? Now taking LCM to these two, sin A into sin A would be how much? Sin square A. Cos A into cos A would be how much? Cos square A upon what? Cos A sin A. Okay, now just observe. This is again we obtained what? First trigonometric identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A, and value of which is 1. So let us put down the value of it. 1 plus 1 by cos A sin A. I mean, I substituted the value of sin square A plus cos square A over here, and this cos A sin A I wrote as it is. And for my convenience, I want to split this here. 1 plus, okay, 1 plus 1 by cos A sin A, I want to split as 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A. Okay, now tell me, how can we express this? Is 1 plus 1 by, okay, 1 plus 1 by cos A. How can we express 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A can be written as secant A, because secant and cos ratios are reciprocals of each other. So here we can write it as what? Secant A. Secant A, and 1 by sin A will be obviously written as what? Cosecant A. So this final answer would be what? 1 plus secant A into cosecant A, which is our next answer. Understood? So therefore we obtained our RHS here also. So therefore we took LHS and we obtained two RHS parts. So therefore LHS equal to this RHS and this RHS. So therefore it is solved. Understood? And I am telling you one more thing, that while doing this type of problems, don't be panic, because you need to get the first answer, and then after, by doing small rearrangements or some small adjustments in first answer, you will get the second answer. That's it. Understood? Anyways guys, for today this is it.